Hi guys. So today I'm very excited to because I received a delivery just a few minutes ago, and I have the box. I was expecting it. I will just show you the big carton. So it's from Auditorium. So it's a German store. I think it's a web and also a real physical store. So I'm going to quickly open the box if I can with the cutter and up, and here it is. So I have first some. Okay, this has my name and my address, so it's the bill. I'm not going to show you. So we have the some kind of magazine and yeah, something for selling, I guess. So I will put this on the side because that's not the most important part. The most important part is coming, and it's there's a beautiful bag. Okay, received. They put it in a bag, and well, you already know what I'm receiving, right? It's in the title of the video, and ta-ta. So it's like Christmas almost. So if you know already this, or if you did not read, so today I received. Finally, I had to think a lot about if I order it or not, especially because I have different cans, and I think you can start to I mean, when you like, you start collecting those. So today it's the third Sennheiser I get in a row. Today it's the HD800S. It's written here. You can see it. And I didn't buy the stuff from what I wanted, to have some kind of pretty decent setup in the living room. So most of the time I spend anyway time here in my home office room, where I use all the time this one, so the DT1990 Pro. Connected to the RME ADI2 DAC. I really like it, but to be honest and fair, most of the time the headphones I use really many hours per day. During Monday to Friday, it's this one, the Tiger 300R. It's excellent. It's very comfortable, and the reason is I have many online meetings, and I use with the Fox, so I spend time with this, so I don't annoy anybody in the apartment, as we are all stuck here, kind of stuck. And so I do all my online meetings with this. I know it's supposed to be for gaming or whatever, but it's very good headphones. Check the reviews online. I think I can. I don't know. Maybe I already said it in previous videos, but this is really good for the price. I mean, you can get those two for less than 300 euros in Germany here, and it's really nice. And the fact the Fox is digital. So it's only with a USB plug, so you have a DAC inside where you can plug the headphones, and it's going very well. Anyway, that's not the purpose of this video. The video, it's let's not hijack the video for this Sennheiser. This is a very nice headphones. It has been reviewed a couple of times already online, and so as usual, it seems on the high-end headphones, they don't put any information on the box. So what do we get? We get some documentation, user guide. So like for the 660, let's open it. Okay, so here it's something for cleaning, Sennheiser. And then we have some, let's put English, so same as the 60, care maintenance. Okay, I will show you in the right side. So you have some different details, safety instructions. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty nice and pretty well made. Okay, so I will explore this later. So now we have this nice box, which reminds me somehow the 660S. I did not open it right way. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is what we have inside. So one tiny pouch, I would say, with some cables. Okay, oh, made of metal. It's cold. It's cold. It was outside, so I guess in the delivery truck. So yes, this is something I don't use yet. And USB key. I think it's the details. I think I read online it was about the all the measurements or something like that. I don't remember. So a tiny USB key, which reminds me this USB key. I think it's the same manufacturer, kind of. So okay, one is ACP, one is Sennheiser, and they are very similar. Anyway, it's not a USB key review, so I will explore this later. So we have this one with, okay, no adapters. Okay, so this one is only 6.3, it seems. And the headphones. Yeah, there's not much adjustment. Oh, okay, so let's open it. The first impression is excellent, really premium quality feeling, I would say. Very nice cable. I don't know if you can change for something else, actually. I don't even know if the proprietary or not, left, right. So the adjustment. So here you can see Sennheiser HD 800S, made in Germany. The other ones, it was not written. I don't know. Probably they are made. I know they have a factory in Germany. Probably they have more than one, and they have also one in Romania and maybe elsewhere as well. So yeah, so 300 ohms. I didn't check the other ones. 660, I think it was 150. No, it's not written on it. I don't remember. I didn't check, to be honest. So let's remove the box. Let's have a look at the headphones. And as usual, I put it dirty. So the mesh. Yeah, it's very nice. Very soft. You can see with the Sennheiser logo in it. The feeling is really good. Clamping, it's a new headphone, so probably at the beginning it's, you know, a bit strong. After it will be a bit lose. But oh yes, yes, you cannot compare it. Let's compare it anyway with the. Well, I can compare all of them actually with the 560s, 660s, 800. It's not written anywhere. Okay, only on the top. 800s. The mesh here. I think that's the only common thing. You can see the driver, and yeah, I think it's a pretty good upgrade compared to. Yeah, after I will have to check how to drive this. The feeling is absolutely excellent. It's some kind of, I don't even know, some kind of velour foam Alcantara, very soft. It's pretty wide compared to, so I think it will be well around the ears, which is good. Yeah, that's so for the first time I had to cut. Also, I had a technical issue, so I apologize for that. It's the first time it happens. Anyway, I was talking a lot alone about the headphones. I mean, it's really great. I have not much to say. So I will only say thanks for watching, sorry for the problem, and I'll try to do it better next time. But for now I will just listen to this and yeah, and enjoy it. So bye for now.